It's hats off to the people of Uttar Pradesh who decided to give a full majority to the Samajwadi Party. Having done that, the dependence of the Samajwadi Party on the Congress Party has ceded. Now they are free and they can act on their own. So the desire,
they are with the federal front.
The desire of the Congress Party that the numbers of the Samajwadi Party fall short, that they become dependent on them, is gone for good.
No, so what is your point?
Now what is the situation?
What is your point?
Now, what is the situation?
Give me one reason. Give me one reason, Rajiv Rudy. Then I get Abhishek. Give me only one reason why you are so excited about a midterm poll.
No. But why did you call me on the channel to discuss this issue? I am not excited, boss. My only submission, I am not excited. I am just, if you have asked me to discuss an issue and they say I am getting excited,
you're for it.
How can I get excited?
Are
you called me to discuss this issue and I am telling you a few points and you say I am getting excited.
No, are you for it?
I am not so immature to understand. I am just analyzing along with Arnab Goswami the situation there. Now the fact remains that today Mr. Mulayam Singh has only 22 seats in Uttar Pradesh. If he goes for the election today, he will have more than 40-50 seats. That may be the position. Mamata Banerjee has only 19 seats. If she goes for the election, she may improve her seats. The DMK has only 9 seats in the AIDMK has only 9 seats in Tamil Nadu. They can improve their position. So these are the possibilities which are emerging, which is giving a reason to Mr. Arnab Goswami to conduct a debate.
I am discussing
and I can tell you the BJP, if the elections are held today, we have to target 200 seats. If we are unable to get 200 seats, and that is sure what we are going to get, as the more the Congress stays in power, the more the possibility of the BJP consolidating its position. So we are not in a hurry. Let them continue with few more scams here and there, some one more NTRO scam and some more scams and previous scams. So we are not in a hurry. The longer the Congress party stays, the stronger the BJP becomes. So there is absolutely no problem. I am here to discuss. I am not very excited. I am not very excited, but the facts are being discussed in public and every channel is discussing that there is a possibility of a snap poll. And we find the Congress leadership going on the knees trying to woo back their supporters. So what is the problem with Rajiv Pratap Rudy?
No problem, but Abhishek Manu Singhvi, Dr. Singhvi, Dr. Singhvi,
talk to Baba Ramdev.
One sec. Dr. Singhvi, simple. You can respond to him as you wish, but I have a simple point to you. You see, isn't it true, sir, that you are in a precarious situation where two of your very critical allies, who together among them have 27 MPs, which is namely Trinamool Congress and NCP, are with the BJP, with the JDU, with the SP, with the Shiv Sena, with Jayalalitha in wanting a midterm poll right now? That is the general feeling, and that is the point which is being rubbed in. Yes, sir. Please, your response to Mr. Rudy.
I will answer both you and Mr. Rudy. Just give me enough 2 minutes at least. Firstly,
2 minutes
close
and point
this
number
discussion
1,
with
2
the
and
fact.
3.
Let him reply, Rajiv.
Yeah.
Let him reply. Yeah.
Well, as I said earlier to Rajiv Pratap Rudy, I don't have a scintillating brilliance of being lost in non-specifics. He doesn't like my points because they pin him down. But he has to reply to the points because pinning down is more important than grandstanding or brinkmanship, which he appears to specialize in. Now the first point, and let him answer that very specific point. Let's have a pact. Let's end this program and this debate, because Mr. Rudy concedes that he's sure to win 2014 if he allows us to go on for 2 more years. Then why this constant hankering after midterm polls? Why this constant ambition? Let us go on to 2014 and you'll win a huge majority then.
Stop being
about
irritant.
Midterm polls.
Stop being an irritant, Rajiv. That's what he's saying. Yeah.
Number 2, absolutely. No, it's not only, I'm saying on your own showing, just keep quiet till 2014.
I can answer, but I'm
your numbers day by day.
For my turn.
Now, let me complete. Please answer after I finish. Now, secondly, Arnab, you are committing the basic fundamental fallacy of assuming what you require to prove. You start with a very nice assumption that the Trinamool Congress and the NCP are for midterm polls, and then you try to prove a thesis in a program which is based on midterm polls. Well, that's the complete fallacy, because where is your evidence, where is your proof, where is your material to suggest that either the NCP or the Trinamool Congress is remotely for a midterm poll?
There are.
Let me remind you, Arnab,
there is, sir.
that the NCP...
There is.
One second, Arnab, please. Arnab, don't be another Rajiv Pratap Rudy. Let me complete.
Okay.
The NCP, every time we've had a state election in Maharashtra, we've had this specific speculation, especially by the BJP and others. Look, the NCP is going to ditch you. third time state partnership coalition. Third time. The second time in 2009, a central one, a partnership and a coalition. Each time the doubting Thomases said, Sharad Pawar is an original defector from the Congress. He's going to go against the Congress. He's going to sabotage internally. But unfortunately for them, these Mungeri Lal ka sapnas never come true. What can be done? Trinamool Congress.
So why
of course, has differences with us.
Why is
but to have a leap of the faith from differences to a midterm poll is a true leap of the faith. It is a true leap of the imagination.
So why?
Because Ms. Mamata Banerjee may be differing with us because she wants a financial
the logic
package.
is simple.
She may be putting pressure on us for other things.
Sir,
but nowhere has
the
she
logic is
suggested,
simple.
not once,
Sir,
that
logic is simple.
and in fact, when Mr. Dinesh Trivedi made a statement,
yes,
he clarified subsequently.
He was made to clarify.
He never made a statement.
He was
and
made to
Dinesh
clarify.
Trivedi clarified it himself.
He was made to clarify, but he did make the statement. Politics is about, self-interest.
Just because he doesn't agree with you, Arnab, you can't ignore his statement.
No, I didn't ignore his statement. Politics is about self-interest. The argument is TMC, BJP, SP, BJD, Shiv Sena, NCP, AIDMK, TDP, Akali Dal, all these parties, sir, will benefit if there's an election. They'll come up with more numbers, and therefore they feel that time is now.
Everybody, okay, let me answer straight away.
Yeah.
This is another fallacy. 1 minute, just because you get a good election result in 2 states or
doesn't translate.
Punjab,
Yeah, got your point.
You must, no, not doesn't translate. Everybody must start wishing on that basis that you must have immediate midterm polls. Are midterm polls held on that basis?
Sir, Uttar Pradesh. Sir, Uttar Pradesh.
We have state polls every year.
Sir, Uttar
Pradesh. We don't call for midterm polls on that basis.
Sir, Uttar Pradesh is a bellwether state politically, nationally in India. You cannot equate it at that level. It's a make or break for your party. It was seen as a make or break for your party. Hence, it's an opportunity for others, right?
But that's a state election.
Okay.
Mr. Mulayam Singh's support to us will remain the same 21 or odd MPs he has. It won't
So,
change.
Mr. Rudy, stop speculating. Be constructive. And the invitation of Dr. Singhvi today is, if you are confident that you'll get more than 114 MPs in 2014, please wait till 2014. Await your turn. Don't be disruptive in the political process. Don't be an irritant. That's what he's saying.
You see, no, absolutely what he's saying is correct, because they have the arrogance to say that they have the majority and they can carry on to do whatever they want in this government, and they want to continue till 2014. That is, they will continue if they have the supports. But if there are anxious moments with being created for the Congress party because of the TMC, because of Mr. Sharad Pawar, because of Mr. Mulayam Singh Yadav, then BJP is nowhere responsible. And this is the question which we are saying, because they are not dependent on the Congress party. The Congress party is dependent on them. So this is the vulnerable part which they have to realize. And if anyone gets very upset, because they have been getting upset earlier, now the critical numbers are no more with the Congress party, which was there earlier, because the Samajwadi party used to extend support, the BSPs used to extend support. That is over now. So this is any man who understands the basics of politics would say that the situation for the Congress is very vulnerable.
Right. And
that is what we are talking. So let them continue with this government till 2014. We have no hurry, and let the whole process take place. Right. But there are certain facts, and even Mr. Abhishek Manu Singhvi is getting agitated when you are repeatedly asking that there could be a midterm poll. So tell him there would be no midterm poll. If you have to ask if there is a midterm poll,
sir, I wish I could adjudicate.
Mulayam Singh Yadav, ask those people, Mr. Sharad Pawar, why are you asking Mr. Abhishek Manu Singhvi?
Well, I would right now,
Fine,
see, Abhishek
perfect.
Manu Singhvi happens to be the Congress party spokesperson, so we're asking him. And Sharad Pawar is not giving an on-record...
But he's very scared, but I do not know. But there would be good chance for Mr. Abhishek Manu Singhvi if elections are held and he comes to the Lok Sabha and then possibly in government. He's a very brilliant man, so let's work on that.
Well, now that you're pulling each other's leg, I will at this point say thank you to both of you. We are watching what's happening in Parliament, and we have complete coverage of everything that's happening in this session of Parliament. Thank you, Dr. Singhvi and Rajiv Rudy, for joining me on debate number 2 on whether snap polls are in sight.